Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this short video I will show you how to reset oil change light on a 2012 Buick Verano. This works from 2012 all the way up to 2017. So first, start the vehicle. Mine is with a push button start. Now here on the left side you will see a menu button, this scroll that goes up and down to go through the menu, and there is a button right here that's like a yes button, enter button, whatever you want to call it. So what you have to do, press the menu button until you reach the vehicle information menu, and then you can use this scroll to scroll down. These are the tires, all the way to remaining oil life, and now it says, okay, mine is at 98%. We did the oil change recently on this car. Press set, clear to reset. So you have to press this button here, and I will get the question, are you sure that you want to reset? Scroll up onto yes, and again press this button in the middle, and it's gonna change to 100%. Yeah, it's very easy, and you can do it yourself. After you do the oil change, it's gonna warn you when you're close to the next oil change that's due. If you have a Buick Verano that doesn't have this menu button, the process is a bit different but similar. I will cover that in the next video, because I have a couple of these Veranos actually in the shop right now. Yeah, but anyways, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful and educational. If it was, please like the video, post a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.